rocking with the community, then you know how we be. For the third quarter, that's confident, capable, decisive, resourceful. It just happens to be in perfect alignment with the strategic buying opportunity zone that we're approaching with VIX. We'll get into that more in this week's MUSA market sessions. What you're about to witness is my thoughts. Anything that I may say, it's just what I was seeing at the time. I'm not advising anyone to do anything except your own due diligence. Except your own due diligence. What's still kicking them doubles. What's going up, elevators? I'm If Archer from King Boulevard and Wall Street at KBWS Network, wherever you can find us on social media. Now, this is a weekend analysis, so we'll be sticking strictly to the weekly charts. We're using both the short-term and long-term KBWS strategies for this time frame. Let's get things started with a look at SPY. SPY showing a bullish EMA stagger across all 5 EMAs. Which basically means the short-term trend is looking good and more people might actually be looking into buying into the market. From a short-term standpoint, we also have the ST Strategy Tecmo Super Bowl line around 443.60. Keep in mind there's also a bull gap down there too from the run up. Both of these could act as a safety net, attracting buyers and also keep the market from going down any further. From a long-term standpoint, we have the LT Strategy Tecmo Super Bowl line sitting at around 430. Now that's a big support level. And if shit starts to really hit the fan, we can look at that as our last line of defense before we have to start taking profits off our initial entry from around the 380 to 396 range, depending on how you chose to enter off the trend line or actually off the 50% entry from the 127 EMA straight out of the LT strategy. All right, let's look at IWM. At the top of the show, we talked about what mint meant, specifically what mint green meant. And if we're going to be strategic with our buying opportunities, it's not prudent to buy small cap stocks in an environment like this. That's just my opinion. Other people might have a different opinion. I'm relying strictly on the technicals here. We're inside a triangle. We're expecting a pullback. And if we don't get support between 190 and 185, we expect to revisit the 175 to 170 area within the coming weeks before we get a rebound on IWM. Sticking with the KBWS LT weekly strategy and the VIX mint green theme, let's take a look at some of the tickers that we've mined, unpacked, strategized, and are anticipating for this coming week. First up, Dynatrace, ticker symbol DT. We have an ATR of 3.73. We're taking a 50% position size at $45. Our first price target is $56. Next up, we have CSX. We have an ATR of 1.6. We're taking a 50% position size at $31. Our first price target, $39. And we round out the 3-pack with NextEra Energy, ticker symbol NEE. We have an ATR of 3.63. We're taking a full position at $68.65. Our first price target is $88. That's all we got today. Don't forget the disclaimer at the beginning of the video. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You can join the KBWS community by visiting us at KingBoulevardandWallStreet.com and fill out the survey. If you fly with me. I'm out, elevators.